Hey you guys, this is Jinzo. I am back with a video. So I'm doing something different today, and I'm taking a look at the first look at Legendary Collection Kaibia Mega Packs. I actually like this for the most part. So let's get through it. Blue Eyes Red Dragon, 4 unique artworks, which is interesting. I think that means that we're gonna be getting a couple of the new artwork for Blue Eyes Red Dragon that the OCG has if we don't. The part is gonna be exported into this. The XYC and then the XIC cards are getting reprinted. ABCs are getting a reprint, which is nice. I think they're commons out of a structure deck right now, so this is the second printing, so that's cool. This is what I really like. Jordan Lockwood, Ghost Ogre, Ash Blossom, Ghost Reaper, and Winter Cherry, so all get a reprint as ultras, and as far as I can see, ultras are kind of like the commons in the set, so they should be theoretically easy to pull unless they short print them. So, yeah, get your hands on those hand traps, man. Those are good. I don't think that just because they're getting a reprint doesn't mean that they're not going to be any less relevant than they are right now. Conan of Mice, I like. I hate that it's a secret, but I get it. So, it will drive the price down, so that's good. Melody the Awakening of the Dragons is cool. Fluid Dragons, like whatever. Rigeki's a really nice reprint. Considering it's like a $15 to $20 card right now for the LOB version. Dragon Shine, Dragon Fiend, and I don't really care. Whatever. That card really, whatever. This is my main issue with the set. First off, why the fuck is it a secret? Second off, the fact that this is getting printed means that it's probably going to be coming off the ban list. Maybe at 1, but even at 1, this card is going to be retarded. It does not need to come off. I actually have no idea what the fuck this card is. Lullaby of Obedience. So I gotta actually look into that. But Crush Card Fires, that's nice. Ring of Destruction. Random trap, but okay. Oh, I didn't see this. ABC Dragon Buster as a fucking secret rare. Whoo, that's awesome. XYC Dragon Cannon, no one cares. Beals, the Diabolic Dragon, which is a really, really nice preprint. Before the reprint, like right now, I think it's sitting at like $11. Before that, it was a $26 card, or almost a $30 card. It was expensive. It came in the premium gold pack like 4 years ago, and that was the only printing it's ever had. So it's nice to see a reprint of it. Ancient Fairy Dragon as an ultra, which is super nice. This I hope drive the price down of Ancient Fairy Dragon, and I really think that's good. Wait a second. Why do they have, I just noticed that, Ring of Destruction, Ring of Destruction. Does that mean we're getting both artworks for it? Cool. There is 2 artworks for Ring of Destruction. Maybe we'll be getting the other one. But, yeah, and then Ancient Fairy Dragon is really nice. And then Ring of Destruction again, I guess. Okay. That's weird. I don't know why they have it on there twice. I'm assuming that means we're getting the other printing of it too, the both artworks. I don't know if we have the other artwork yet here in OCG. I think we do. No, we don't. So, anyway, this is a little short video, but I thought I'd talk about it and take a look at it. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't subscribe and link in the description below. I will catch you guys later. This is Jinzo. Sign out. Bye. Good night.